So Down syndrome is otherwise called trisomy 21 or Mongolism. So before going to chapter, we have to discuss about chromosomal disorders. Do you know how many chromosomes and I hope chromosomes and all 23 pairs. Okay, 22 autosomes and 2 allosomes, 6 chromosomes. Then among these chromosomal disorders, do you know what are all the chromosomal disorders? Anyone answer?
Sir, autosomal dominant and recessive.
So Down syndrome, Klinefelter, Turner's.
Very good, very good. So autosomal disorders, Down syndrome, Edward Patau. Edward means 18 trisomy, Patau means 13 trisomy, and Down syndrome 21 trisomy. Okay, another two Klinefelter and Turner syndrome is a allosomal disorder. So these 5 things are called chromosomal disorders. So another chapter, a single gene disorder. Single gene means the gene, particular gene will be affected, so it will cause a congenital defect like thalassemia, Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, Becker's muscular dystrophy, Marfan, like that. Okay, so then polygene disorder. That means cleft lip, cleft palate, congenital heart disease. Those are all the things. So now we are going to discuss about Down syndrome. The Down syndrome is named after Langdon Down, who first described it in 1866. This is the most common autosomal trisomy. Other trisomy 18 trisomy, Edwards and Patau. Chromosome 21 is one of the smallest chromosomes. The incidence of Down syndrome, it's 1 in 1,000 live birth. Most common cause, Down syndrome is the most common cause of mental retardation. So it's divided into 3 types. Meiotic non-disjunction of chromosomes 21. That is the most common type, 94%. It's due to maternal age more than 35. It will be more chances. So radiation and viral infection, genetic predispositions, environmental toxins, these are all the causes for meiotic non-distinction of chromosomes. Then another type, translocations. This 4% it will occur. Translocation means chromosome 21 translocate into another chromosomes, like 14th chromosomes. That is called Robertsonian translocations. So, the part of chromosomes will be translocated from 21 to another 14, 13, 15, 22, whatever it is. That is called translocations. Then other things, mosaicism. That means mosaicism means normal 46 chromosomes as well as abnormal trisomy 47 chromosomes. 2 type of categories will be mixed in this type. This is called mosaicism. Can you able to see the picture?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
This is called karyotyping. Okay, we have to categorize the chromosomes this order according to the length of the chromosomes, long arm and short arms. So according to long arm, it will be divided into these groups. Group A means 1 to 3. B means 4, 5. C means 6 to 12 chromosomes. Numbers. Then D means 13 to 15 and E 16 to 18. F 19, 20. G means 21. Here 21st chromosome is the shortest chromosomes. Then another X and Y. X chromosomes longer chromosomes and Y when the shorter chromosome. Okay, we can categorize likewise, and it's very important to identify the Down syndrome chromosomes. Here 21st chromosomes will be triple. It will be triple. So that's why the disorder will occur. So the risk factors. Maternal factors, if the age of mother less than 30 years means the translocation is the most common cause of Down syndrome. If it is if the age more than 30 years means the non-disjunction, meiotic non-disjunction is the commonest cause. Then other genetic factors, rearrangement of genetic materials may occur between chromosomes of 21 and 14. That is translocation. So clinical examination, head to foot examination. If you are seeing the child, the head, it will be brachycephaly or a microcephaly. What is the definition for microcephaly? Anyone? What is a brachycephaly? Anyone answer?
Head circumference less than 3 standard deviations, sir.
More
Microcephaly.
than 3 standard deviation below the mean for age, sex, and region. Then microcephaly. Then brachycephaly is a flat occiput. Okay. Then face. It's a dysmorphic face. Mongoloid face is flat facial profile, flat nasal bridge, mongoloid slants, the outer canthar at a higher level than the inner canthar, hypertelorism, then a speckling of iris, epicanthal fold of skin extending from the upper lid to the cover the medial canthus of the eye, small dysplastic ears, small mouth, protruded tongue, high arched palate, fisher tongue, the skin fold at the neck due to abundance of skin there. Here we have to know one thing. If you are low set ears, if you are going to measure the low set ears means you have to draw a imaginary line from outer canthus of the eyeball to towards tragus in surface in the position of in the standing position. Okay, if the one imaginary line, if 1/3 of the ear auricle will be above the that imaginary line means that is called normal. If it is below the line means it is low set ear. It will be calculated for a normal child. If the mongoloid child, if a Down syndrome baby means, how do you measure the low set ears? That is the question. So you have to take the measurement from inner canthus of the eyeball. Okay. The next, hand. In hand, simian crease will be there. Cnidodactyly will be there. Brachydactyly, short and stumpy fingers will be there. thorax, short sternum. In heart, endocardial cushion defect is the most common cardiac defect will be there. VSD will be there. In pelvis, dysplasia of the pelvis. In genitalia, small external genitalia will be there. In feet, sandal gap will be there. Sandal gap means the first and second toes, the gap between first and second toes. Then in a CNS manifestation, mental retardation is more common. So IQ will be less than 50. Developmental delay also is there. Hypotonia and cervical atlanto-occipital subluxation will be there. Learning problem, the commonest problem for them. Sexual maturation, secondary sexual characters are delayed. In male child, male childs are infertile, and a female will be fertile. They can become pregnant. Other important problem, leukemia is the most common cause of leukemia will be more common in Down syndrome babies, and hypothyroidism also there. Then neonate. Before you can assess the child from neonate itself. Newborn itself, you can assess the child whether it is a Down syndrome baby or not. If the child Down syndrome means there is a criteria is there, Hall's criteria. It's a clinical criteria, Hall's criteria. It can assess whether the child Down syndrome baby or not. 10 points will be there. Dysmorphic faces, ear, abnormal ear, other immature ear, then other upward slanting of eyeball, then the skin fold thickening will be present in the nape of the neck. Three things. Fifth one, Glenodactyly, hyperextension of the joint, hyperflexibility and extension of the joint. Then pelvic dysplasia will be there. Then Moro, abnormal Moro reflex will be there. Hypotonia will be there. One more thing, SIM increase. These 10 things should be in your mind. It's called Hall's criteria. If there is any four of these, we can tell it's a Down syndrome baby. Okay. Do you know anyone tell what is Moro? Moro? Hello? Students?
It's a motor reflex which is involuntary, present after birth.
It's a neonatal reflex. It occur in utero. It will disappear at the age of 3 months. Okay, this is very, very important reflex. It has some components. The child should be supine position, and you have to hold the child. You have to drop it in your another hand, and if the child will be the baby will be shoulder will be abducted, and the extension of the elbow and opening of the hand. Wrist will be in opening of the fingers, hand. Okay, followed by closing fingers and flexion of the knee. Flexion of the elbow and adduction of the shoulder. This reflex is called a Moro reflex. It will be poorly developed, or it will be not developed in Down syndrome babies. That is important. that is due to hypotonia also. If a head circumference, if a head control should be attained means the child lost the Moro reflex. If it is more persistent more than 6 months means it's called a CP child. Okay, it's one of the main key point. The Moro will be more than 6 months means the child development delay is there. So we have to so coming to the point, neonates so many system will be affected. In GE system, duodenal atresia will be there, anal atresia will be there, Hirschsprung disease, tracheoesophageal fistula, imperforate anus will be there. Congenital heart disease already we discussed. DST and endocardial cushion defect will be there. Dislocation of the hips will be there. That is due to dysplasia of the poorly developed hip. Then another thing, prolonged jaundice will be there in Down syndrome babies. That is due to obstruction of the bile flow or constipations, hypothyroidism. These are all the causes for a prolonged jaundice in Down syndrome babies. Then if the child born with Down syndrome means we have to take a thyroid function test to rule out hypothyroidism, because hypothyroidism also one of the preventable cause of mental retardation. Already the child having mental retardation Downs, if along with the hypothyroidism means it will be critical. So these are all the we already discussed clinical criteria. Older children and adolescents, we should the hypothyroidism will be there. Alzheimer disease, older age group, Alzheimer like syndromes will be present at the age of 25. Alzheimer disease developed in 40 years itself. Okay, male sterility, then cataract, hearing loss will be there. System-wise clinical findings already we discussed. Cardiovascular endocardial cushion defect and mitral valve prolapse, VSD, respiratory system obstructive sleep apnea, diaphragmatic hernia will be there, hypoplastic lung, GI fissure tongue, atresia, duodenal atresia, annular pancreas, then anal atresia, Hirschsprung disease, tracheoesophageal fistula. These are all the things. Central nervous system mental retardation, seizure, infantile spasm and seizure disorder, aggressive behaviors, autistic behavior, sleep disturbance will be there, hypotonia, then weak neonatal reflexes will be there, then Alzheimer like dementia will be there at the age of 25, and Alzheimer disease developed at the age of 40 years. Orthopedic skeletal problem, the main things atlanto-axial subluxation will be there, dysplasia of the pelvis, shallow acetabular angle with predisposed to hip dislocation. Then gait disturbance due to hypotonia, delayed motor milestone will be there, endocrine pituitary underdeveloped, adrenal hyperplasia of the cortex and medulla, congenital hypothyroidism will be there, diabetes may be there, short stature, obesity. Then hematological, it's very, very important. Polycythemia there. The AML and the ALL is more common in Down syndrome. The risk is 10 to 18 times more than the normal populations. Okay. Then eyes, congenital cataract, nystagmus, refractive error will be there, skin infection, then seborrheic dermatitis, cutis murmuratus. These are all the things will be there in Down syndrome babies. Investigations. We have to rule out whether it's a Down's baby or not. The Down's baby means The karyotyping is the first. It's a final gold standard investigation. Before that, we can see the screening test. In antenatal period, we can see some screening test should be done. In first trimester, under ultrasonography, we can measure the nuchal fold thickness, nuchal translucency. That means some fluid collection under the neural tube. It will be normal. Less than 6 mm means normal. If it is more than 6 means that is Down's baby. Okay. And also we can assess whether there is a annular pancreas there or duodenal atresia. We can assess through ultrasound. Then as in second trimester, duodenal atresia, cardiac anomalies can be assessed. Then short femur, absent nasal bone. Main things, absent nasal bone and a short femur will be present in the Down's babies. So, other test, triple test and a quadruple test. The triple test will be taken at the 16th week of gestation. It is alpha fetoprotein and estriol, human chorionic gonadotropin. These three things should be measured. Among these three is human chorionic gonadotropin will be, just a minute. Among these three enzymes, the human chorionic gonadotropin will be high. So other things low. Okay. So, H for H. Human chorionic gonadotropin, H for high, will be high. Other two are low. So this is called a triplet test. Triple test. Quadruple test means we have to add one more thing, inhibin A. Among these three, we have to add one more thing. Inhibin A should be taken. Inhibin A also will be low. The human chorionic gonadotropin will be high. Inhibin A and decreased estriol and decreased alpha fetoproteins means that is called a quadruple test. It will be useful for Down syndrome as well as Edwards syndrome, 18 trisomy. We can assess. Okay. Then karyotyping. We can discuss about karyotyping. Then chorionic villus sampling will be done at the age of 12th week of gestation. Amniocentesis will be done at 16th week of gestation. Percutaneous umbilical blood sampling should be done after 22 weeks of gestation. These are all the investigations that are harmful. It will cause abortion and everything. We have to discuss, we have to give counseling before doing these investigations. So, final gold standard investigations, karyotyping. The chromosomes are grouped from A to G. Already we discussed it, depending on the length and position of the centromeres. Length of the chromosomes group A to A will be longest. We already discussed about these things. Then complete blood count, peripheral smear. Peripheral smear, there is a blast cell will be there. If there is leukemia, then X-ray spine to rule out atlanto-axial dislocations, X-ray chest to rule out cardiac cardiomegaly. Then ultrasound should be done to duodenal atresia, barium meal and barium enema should be done for if there is any duodenal atresia or any anal imperforate anus. These are all the things should be done. Then X-ray, bone, skeletal to assess skeletal survey. The vertebral column should be X-ray cervical spine should be done to rule out atlanto-axial dislocations. Then echocardiogram for congenital heart disease, thyroid function test for to rule out hypothyroidism, blood sugar to rule out diabetes. These are all the basic investigations should be done for all Downs babies. Treatment wise, the child should be immunized, fully immunized, nutritional management, the hearing and visual assessment, the optal ENT opinion to get to assess the visual as well as hearing. Speech therapy, early stimulation should be done. Okay, speech therapy should be started earlier. Then education. Assess the child and if needed, place the child in a special schools. Then we have to treat the complication also. If the child getting a hypothyroidism means we have to treat that thyroxine replacement. Then if the child having a congenital heart disease means surgical correction should be done. Respiratory infection means we have to give antibiotics. Seizure disorder means we have to start anti-epileptic drugs. Orthopedic problem means we have to start some physiotherapies. Recurrent arthritis media means we have to get an opinion from ENT surgeon. So it's a multi-capillary. It's a everyone should be interfere and treat the child. Then genetic counseling. The counseling should be given to their parents. If the child first child means more chances will be occur for a second child, so we have to give counseling for them. The causes of death in this child Down syndrome, what are the causes? Main these 5 things: leukemia, congenital heart disease, respiratory tract infection, atlanto-axial dislocation, and Alzheimer's disease. These are all the main things for a cause of death. The child, you have to advise them. The child should not be play the outdoor games like football, volleyball, or cricket. Like that, the child should not be play. Why? Anyone? Students, anyone? Can you answer my question? You have to advise them. Don't play.
Sir, brittle bones. Sir, the bones will be brittle.
No. It's a main thing. Atlanto-axial dislocation will be there. It will cause sudden death. So like swimming, diving. These are all the things should be avoided. Okay. Then one more. This is main thing. Then Alzheimer disease. Alzheimer disease also it will cause early death. That's all I think. We discussed everything. Students, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
தம்பி தம்பி யாராவது ரெப் யாருப்பா?
Sir, Nada, sir. Subit, SUBIT.
இருப்பா, நான் பேசுறதெல்லாம் கேக்குதுல? இருப்பா, ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம். ஓகே, ஓகே தானப்பா?